Greetings and welcome to the Fiction Stream Story channel. We invite you to like and subscribe our channel for access accurate selections of profound narratives. Now let's proceed to today's tale.
In a lush, green forest, there lived a lion so large, his roar could be heard for miles around. Each day, he hunted, but he didn't stop at just one animal. He hunted many, causing fear to ripple through the forest creatures. They worried that soon, there wouldn't be any animals left. The forest was abuzz with worry. "We must do something," they said. So, all the animals gathered to come up with a plan. After much discussion, they decided to approach the lion. "Let's talk to him," they agreed. The next day, a brave group of animals went to see the lion. As they approached, the lion roared fiercely, "What brings you here?" The animal's spokesperson stepped forward. "Your Majesty, we have a request. When you hunt, you take more than you can eat, and our numbers are dwindling. If this continues, soon, you'll have no subjects left. What's a king without his kingdom? We propose a deal: stay in your den, and we'll send one animal each day for you to eat. That way, we can all live in peace." The lion pondered their words and agreed, but with a warning: "If ever you fail to send me food, I will hunt as I please." With no other choice, the animals agreed. And so, it began. Each day, one animal was sent to the lion. When it was the rabbit's turn, a small but clever rabbit was chosen. "Why should I be the lion's meal without a fight?" thought the rabbit. "I must find a way to save myself and the forest." The rabbit took his time getting to the lion, arriving much later than expected. The lion, hungry and angry, saw the tiny rabbit and roared, "Who sent such a small meal, and why are you late? I should punish those responsible." The rabbit bowed low and said, "Please, hear me out. They sent 6 rabbits, but on the way, we met another lion. He claimed to be the real king of the forest and ate the others." "Another lion," the lion growled. "Take me to him." The rabbit led the lion to a well and said, "He lives underground. Be careful, he's very dangerous." The lion peered into the well and saw his reflection. Mistaking it for the other lion, he roared, and the echo convinced him the other lion was challenging him. In a fit of rage, he leaped into the well, hit the wall, and fell into the water, where he met his end. The clever rabbit returned to the forest, hailed as a hero for outsmarting the mighty lion and saving all the animals. From this story we learn that even in situations of extreme crisis, we should work with wisdom and tact and try till the end. By working with understanding and cleverness, we can overcome the terrible crisis and can defeat even the most powerful enemy.
Dear friends, I hope you enjoyed the story. If you did, please show your support by liking and subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much for your support.